Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn English subject lesson number 4 Krishna and Sudama. So please open your page number 47. Let us read. As young boys, Krishna and Sudama were students in Sandipani's ashrama. In olden days, people sent their children to get education, to send their children to Guru's ashrama. Here, Krishna and Sudama and their friends went to Sandipani's ashrama to get their education. The Guru said, Sudama, you are saying the shlok so well. Sandipani said to Sudama that you are very perfect in saying shlok. Many years passed. Sudama returned a poor man. Krishna became the Lord of Dwarka. After some years passed, Krishna became the Lord of Dwarka. Krishna became the king of Dwarka, but Sudama remained a poor man. Once, Sudama's wife begged him to go to Dwarka and asked his friend to help him. All right, but I can't ask him for anything. One day, Sudama's wife suggested to Sudama that went to Dwarka and meet there your friend Krishna and ask him help. But Sudama said that I can't ask him for anything. Sudama said to her wife that I can't beg or ask anything from Krishna. Sudama set out on his journey to Dwarka, carrying a small gift for his friend. The gift was poha, which Krishna used to love. Sudama started his journey to Dwarka by walking. He carried a small gift for his friend Krishna. The gift was poha, which Krishna liked very much. In Dwarka, Sudama met his friend Krishna. Come, dear friend, I have told my wife Rukmini all about you. Sudama also was happy to see his dear childhood friend. When he finished his journey, Sudama finished his journey by walking and he reached to Dwarka. He met his friend Krishna. Krishna said to Sudama, come dear Sudama. I have told to my wife Rukmini all about you. I had already told about you everything I told to Rukmini. Sudama also was very happy to see his best friend, childhood friend Krishna. Krishna saw that his friend had brought him a gift. What is this? He asked. Sudama replied, you have everything. This is some poha that my wife made for you. Krishna saw that Sudama brought something for him. So he asked, what is this? Sudama replied that you have everything. What will I give you? You are the king of Dwarka. You have everything. I am a poor person. What I will you give you? What I will give you? This is some poha that my wife made for you. Krishna was so happy that his friend had remembered his favorite poha. He begged to eat, but Rukmini stopped. She said, don't finish everything, leave some for us. Krishna and Sudama sat for a while and remembered their younger days. Krishna was so happy and Sudama was also happy. They sat together and they remembered their old memories. And Krishna was very happy that his friend Sudama remembered his favorite poha. He began to eat that poha, but Rukmini stopped him, and she said, "Don't finish everything. Leave something for us." Krishna and Sudama sat together and they remembered their olden days. They remembered their old memories. Sudama stayed with his friend for a few days. He was ready to start back home. Don't forget us, Sudama, said Krishna. Sudama left without asking Krishna for his help. He felt he was lucky to have a friend like Krishna. Sudama stayed in Dwarka for a few days. He stayed with his friend Krishna in Dwarka. After few days, Sudama decided to go back to his home and he said to his friend Krishna. Krishna said to Sudama, "Don't forget us, Sudama." Sudama left Dwarka. Without asking anything from Krishna, he left Dwarka. He felt very happy that Krishna was his best friend. He thought he was very lucky to having a best friend like a Krishna. Sudama reached home after a long journey. He had a surprise. His small home was now a palace. His wife and children rushed out to greet him joyfully. After after walking, after some days he finished his journey and he returned his home. After a long journey, he reached his home. He had a surprise. What is that surprise? Now his small home become a palace. It become a big palace. He was searching that where is my home? After some time, his wife and children rushed out to greet him joyfully. At that time, he recognized that my small house become a palace. All this is because of your friend. Thanks to Lord Krishna, said Sudama's wife. Sudama's wife said that all of this because of your friend. So say thanks to Krishna, Lord Krishna. In this lesson, we are learning that our best friend recognize our problem without listening or without we are not saying any problems to our friend. They recognize our problems and they solve it. So best friends always support us and always they give help help in our trouble. They always help in our trouble. Thank you.